Today we'll explore an era long before banks and metallic currency. Imagine a world where transactions were not managed by physical coins or even paper money, but rather by an intricate web of trust, agreements, and clever ideas. We'll start our journey in Mesopotamia, around 3000 BCE. In Mesopotamia, where cities like Uruk and Ur thrived, trade was a vital part of life. However, trades and taxes weren't recorded in ledger books or on digital databases, but on clay tablets. These tablets detailed taxes, trade agreements, and debts, serving as the earliest form of financial documentation. Then we moved to the Islamic world, where an ingenious system called sak was popular among merchants. Sak was a form of promissory note, enabling traders to transfer money across vast distances without physically moving cash. This system was the backbone of the Islamic world's thriving trade and economy, similar to how checks or wire transfers are today. Shifting focus to India, another unique system known as hundi thrived. Hundi were handwritten documents, primarily serving as promissory notes or bills of exchange, facilitated trade and credit. They were prevalent across the Indian subcontinent and even reached parts of Southeast Asia, providing a reliable way for merchants to conduct business. Let's now the oceans and come to medieval Europe. Here, the bill of exchange was a widely used financial instrument. This tool allowed merchants to pay for goods in one city and receive payment in another, effectively eliminating the need to carry large sums of cross money and reducing the risk associated with tumultuous journeys. In the 11th century, we turn back to the East, specifically China, where paper money was invented. Initially used by the government to pay officials, it eventually became a common medium of exchange, opening new ways of doing business and laying the groundwork for modern banking systems. These altering systems across various historical epochs remind us that money isn't just metal or paper, but the embodiment of trust and agreements. These ancient pioneers in economics and finance used innovative thinking and pragmatic solutions to facilitate trade and build bustling empires. As we fast forward to the present, the historical solutions to moving money without physical currency remain intriguing. Human ingenuity, a quality that let us transcend ages, has managed to keep economies flowing. So, as you swipe a credit card or transfer money online, visualize this fascinating journey of our civilization and remember, in the end, it's not just about money, but the trust that powers it. Conversely, our exploration into the past also hints at the future. Just as how these ancient systems evolved and influenced modern practices, today's financial world is continually evolving. We can expect new, innovative solutions that transcend physical boundaries and drive economies, just as they have always done. As we wrap up, remember that the concept of money, moving beyond the physical, has deep historical roots. It's a testament to human ingenuity, showing us that the need to conduct trade and manage economic relations has challenged us to creatively transcend boundaries, both in the ancient world and even today. So, the next time you negotiate an online deal, remember you are a part of this fascinating continuum, rich in history and innovation. Our journey of money and its historical evolution has been exciting. There is much that the past offers to our modern financial system. As we advance, there's the promise of an increasingly integrated and borderless financial system, continually evolving and powered by the same fundamental principles of trust, agreements, and creativity. Throughout this journey, we've seen how ingenious ideas pave the way for new economic systems. From the humble clay tablet to digital currency, the story of moving money is about more than just currency. It's a tale of trust, invention, and the ever-evolving relationship between society and its economic needs. As we head towards an increasingly interconnected and digital future, let these timeless lessons of trust, collaboration, and keen inventive spirit guide us in shaping a world with inclusive and innovative financial solutions. A future where the ability to move money isn't confined by physical barriers but driven by the ethos of accessibility, security, and economic empowerment. By aligning financial technology with the winds of change, societies are reaching for a future unbounded by limitations. In a world where the only constant is change, one thing seems set: humanity's resolute spirit to transform and evolve, shaping new horizons beyond the realms of today's reality. How ancient societies moved money, after all, was also a way they moved ahead, a beacon that continues to guide our journey into the future. In the present and beyond, humanity faces new challenges. Unprecedented developments in technology are redesigning the very fabric of our lives, including how we manage and move money. The ancient wisdom of trust, inventiveness, and resilience that powered societies for centuries still serves as the guiding star, lighting the path in this fast-changing global landscape. Beyond technologies processing only money, the future portends systems processing trust, experiences, and values. It is only through such paradigm shifts that humanity can march towards its aspirations of unprecedented global economic order and financial inclusion. Not just a future of money, but a future of value, enabled by trust, a powerful testament of the timeless human spirit. The power of moving money without actual coins or paper is timeless. It lives on, from the clay tablets of Mesopotamia to our digital financial ecosystems. These are the threads that bind us across the vast arc of human history. And it's these threads, enriched by the wisdom of the past, that will continue to write the inspiring narrative of the future. Whether written on clay, printed on paper, or encoded in digital bits, the journey of money is inextricably linked to the journey of humanity. As we continue this journey together, inventing, innovating, and learning from the past to build a better, more inclusive financial future, let us keep in heart and mind the simple truth: money isn't just currency, it's a testament to trust, a record of human collaboration, and a powerful instrument of progress. As we bring our voyage to a close, it's worth revisiting the ancient wisdom that continues to shape our modern financial systems. The past teaches us that trust, accords, and accountability are the true currency of human commerce. Bear in mind, the next time you make a transaction, that you're not just exchanging money, you are exchanging trust, fostering agreement, and participating in the age-old human practice of trade. The incessant human ability to adapt and evolve has allowed us to journey from clay tablets to digital ledgers. As we stand on the precipice of yet another financial metamorphosis, the key to unlocking our collective potential lies in nurturing the intrinsic human need for trust, the basis of every economic interaction. Humanity's tryst with financial evolution demonstrates, time and again, how the absence of barriers can nurture ingenuity. The path to a future that promises limitless innovations and moving money is undoubtedly intertwined with our rich historical journey of such economic adaptations. Each twist and turn in the narrative of money is really the story of humanity, as we grapple with its constant evolution and adapt ourselves. Beyond the mere exchange of currency, financial systems encapsulate shared values, underpinning the societal fabric and steering progress. As we step into a new economic epoch, let's make sure we carry forward the essential wisdom of past ages, the knowledge that money, at its core, is about trust, relationships, and creating value. These are motions that have driven the human story for millennia and will continue to do so into the uncharted frontier of future economic eras. Reflecting on the profound human journey of moving money, we are essentially celebrating a narrative of hope, resilience, and shared progress. From the hundis of India to the digital frontiers of the 21st century, this journey showcases the power of collective vision and human innovation. Our journey into the past has shed much light on the path to the future. It has unveiled the integral role that trust and agreement has always played, and will continue to play, in developing economic systems that facilitate fair, equitable, and efficient commerce. Each chapter in the narrative of moving money has been instrumental in shaping our shared journey. As we inscribe the next pages in this grand biographic of humanity, let's remember to draw on our rich past, and the lessons it has to offer, to co-create a financial future that fosters trust and empowers success. Innovations in moving money have always catalyzed societal progression, leaving a visible imprint on human history. As we continuously evolve in our understanding and management of financial systems, we are also shaping a society in which trust and transparency play pivotal roles. This is the epitome of a thriving economy, both now and in years yet to come. In navigating the turbulent waters of economic evolution, remember that the true currency is not merely the physical or digital representation of value. Instead, it's the trust encoded within every transfer. It's the faith in the inherent goodness of people that has bound us in trade for millennia and continues to drive us in molding a future of shared prosperity. As we prepare to write the next chapters of the economic saga, it's enlightening to look back and learn from our past. Remember, at the heart of every transaction is not just a number, a note, or a coin. It's a story. A tale of trust, an account of agreement, and most importantly, a testament to human resilience and progress. From clay tablets to mobile apps, the journey of moving money testifies the inexorable march of human progress. As we embark on the next phase of this voyage, remember the lessons of our past. Let's continue to work with the intrinsic human spirit of trust and cooperation, paving the way for a future that is inclusive, equitable, and prosperous for all. To bear witness to this extraordinary journey, it's essential to understand that moving money isn't merely a transactional endeavor. At its heart, it's a testament to our innate human capability to inspire, innovate, and transform. All funds, whether clay tokens or digital entries, are built on a foundation of trust, driving us forward into an era of boundless prospects. The dawn of every new economic age brings forth profound changes in how we perceive, manage, and move money. Yet, the one constant amidst such change is this: our innate need to transact or exchange not just money, but trust, ideas, and values. This is a compass that has guided us thus far and will continue to guide us as we stride towards future economic milestones. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.